Hey y'all, I got a present from my mom, and thank you, mom, because I know she watches this. So, yeah, thank you for the birthday gift. I appreciate it. So I got something, and if you could tell by the first video what it was, I did put like a little hint in the hashtag. So if you kind of guess what it is, you might be right to think about it. But yeah, if you want to guess, you can comment. I'll give you like 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All good. And then that's fine. All right. So if you guessed right, okay, sweet. If you didn't, oh well then. But got it from Walmart. Hey, Walmart. I actually got it. I just ordered it yesterday. Today's Sunday, the 16th. So I ordered it yesterday on the 15th. I got it right on the 16th, which is so awesome. So yeah, but go ahead. My mom helped me open this, so it was a little bit hard, but this, and let's take this off. ASMR. ASMR might say that, to be honest, but yeah. But look, this is the Rig 500 Pro HX for Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, laptop. It's a competitive gaming headset. Dolby Atmos 2 years activation code inside. Signed for Xbox. That's what it looks like. So has a flip to mute mic. So y'all can see the back of it. Now I'll read it off. Precise 3D auto, unleash the power of Adobe on your games with the included prepaid activation code for Series, Xbox XS, and Xbox One, and Windows 10 11 compatible devices. Download the Adobe app for Windows or Xbox to get started. Not available for PlayStation. So just to let you know. So it's pretty cool. I'm going to check that out. Let's see. Say anything. Okay. So number one, ultralight metal headband. Number two, self-adjusting strap. Number three, dual material ear cushion. Number four, isolated ear cups. Number five, low distortion 50 mm drivers. Number six, flexible moon bike detection. Seven, noise canceling flip mic flip to move. So that means like I flip it up, that means it mutes the mic, which is awesome, which would be great to be honest. Inline volume with max lock precision. So that's the inline volume. That's a microphone that attaches, and if you flip it up, and it turns it mutes it. But yeah, and then supposedly this strap adjusts, and this is like a metal, ultralight metal headband. So yeah, and then these little three little things. So that's how you adjust the cups. So that's large, medium, and small. So if you want to adjust it to however you want to. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's open it, and it is a 3.5 millimeter jack, so I can use it on anything. So just sweet, awesome. So let's open this. Hold on. So that's what I got in the box. Customer service support. About the Adobe, the activation code on the back of it. That scratch off. This. Talk about the headphones. So let's check like this. Ooh. Here's a mic that detaches. No. So there's so much stuff on it. Where do I even start? But this, hold on. This is a mess. Hold on. Let me try to fix this. Okay. So this way it looks supposed to look like. Kind of looks like a mess, but maybe it's just me. It's pretty comfy actually. That feels pretty. Has like enough foam to it. Let's open this. So this is a hole right there. There we go. Game on. Volume control. And then the 3.5 millimeter jack. So yeah. So this bass is supposed to be pretty good, and I'm supposed to hear stuff pretty close to clear for F5050 millimeter driver. So yeah. Let's test it out. Let me try to find my cable adapter to this now connected. Testing 1 2 3, testing. Trying this out on my new microphone, my new headset. Pretty awesome. So let's go and see, because I'm curious. Well, mute. So I'm gonna test it out. Flip it up. So if I flip it up, it's supposed to mute. So let's try this. I'm gonna figure it works. So I'll see it in the playback. So yeah, yeah, pretty cool, yo. Pretty cool. So yeah, hope it sounds clear to y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do my activation code for this, and then go ahead plug this into my Xbox controller and play some Warframe with Ghetto. So yeah, so pretty cool. So yeah, y'all have a good day. Bye. Now I'm going to upload this to YouTube also. So yeah.